go say hi to the puppies. Back. These are the, hold on, Spark, stop it. I know that you're excited about YouTube. These are the puppies. And this is dog training, rescue, search, find class. No, I don't have no treats for y'all guys. But whoever finds this okay. Go find. Retreat. Okay, good puppies. Good. Dog and Spark. Both huskies. Spark looks like her grandmother Fergus, which has died recently. And this is my cat, Dot. And that's also their friend. Come here, Dog. And, okay, come on, Dot. And they like playing Dot, but they're not right now because Spark is trying to say hi. Say hi, Spark. Spark, say hi. Dog, say hi. Aw. They're good doggies. Okay, this is what they did to a semi-truck toy. Go find. Okay, good. Okay. So yeah, this is the puppies, Dog and Spark. This is my cat, Dot. He doesn't really like playing with the puppies because they jump all over him. But Spark likes to play with Dot. Oh, Dog. They're both, guys don't have extra hands. I can't. Oh. Go play. Okay. Okay, whoever finds this, I will. Okay, go find. Okay. But they're not going to right now because they're more interested into YouTube. You're interested into YouTube, guys. You are? Okay. Are you interested to YouTube? Are you? That said that he's not. Unless I'm not making a video about my cat, 'cause my cat doesn't do much. These two, Dog is nothing bad about y'all. Y'all are very good puppies. But these two love to play a lot. And every time when I come out, they're out here, when I'm feeding them, they get crazy kind of. Well, Spark does. Crazy. Go find. Oh. Okay, they're not gonna find it. But yeah, this is Dog. One that looks like a husky. This is Spark. That looks like a little hot dog. Nothing like a husky. Dog looks like a husky. Spark doesn't. Spark is a good dog. Dog, he's a very good dog. He's a good listener. Spark is also a good listener. And yeah, I have to be careful when I step out of here. And when I go inside, dogs, Spark wants to come inside. Wants treats. Dog, he's just a loyal doggo. And they are very good puppies. Spark is a good dog. Dog is a very good pup. They're very good doggos. Come on. Yeah, so this is what they did to this. Hold on, let me show you. So yeah, this is what they did to this toy semi truck. Ripped off the back wheels, tore the thing up. R.I.P. semi truck. Rest in peace. Go find. Okay, we're not gonna find it because you're on camera. Okay, come here. Good puppies. Yeah, Dot, you have something else to do. Go do your own thing. Two dogs that are not lazy. One cat. One cat that is lazy. I only have one cat. This cat is lazy. See, it just sits here. Go Dot. Right, go. Go play with the puppies. Meow. Why do you not want to play with them? Find them. Good Spark. Good DOG. No, you can't eat the camera. You can't eat it. Wanna lick it? Oh, do you wanna lick it? Jump. Jump. Come on. Oh. Yay, DOG. Spark, do you want to lick the camera? Aw. Doggy. Doggos. Yay. Aw. You're very good puppies. Do you want to lick the camera? Do you? No, the camera's right here. Aw. Do you want to lick the camera? Do you? Do you? No. Down. DOG, good puppy. Good Spark. Spark is part of the bench. Oh wait, no, never mind. Good DOG. Good puppy. Oh, look at his fur. You can tell that's husky fur. You can tell that face is a husky face. He's part husky, part blue heeler. My dog. My doggo. My delicious doggo. No, I'm not gonna eat him. I just like saying that 'cause it reminds me of cute little puppies. That you go nom nom. You go nom nom on toys. No, Spark goes nom nom on stuff. You go nom nom on stuff. You just go lick on stuff, even on people. Yes, you do. You do go lick. You do go lick. You go nom nom on stuff. 'Cause you're a nom nom dog. You're a nom nom dog. You're a lick dog. You're just a lazy cat. You're a lick dog. You're a nom nom. You're a nom nom dog. You love eating stuff. Even humans. You love biting people sometimes. Well, me. You also love biting your brother. Puppy Battles 2020. Coming soon. Never. Might make video of you and you fight playing. And yes, this is going on YouTube. DOG. Say hi. Say hi. Aw. Puppy Battles! Yay! Puppy Battles! Puppy Battles 2020. Yay! Oh no! It's the won't Spark. Sometimes DOG